Okay, let me try to talk you through the finding the area of a regular polygon. This first problem is a triangle problem, so this is an equilateral triangle. The reason I wrote the problem down twice is I'm going to solve it two different ways. So the first way is the way that I would assume you're going to try the first time. So you know, we were studying the area of regular polygons, so you've got your formula ready. The area is equal to the apothem times the perimeter divided by 2. And then you set out to solve these things. Well, we need the apothem, but we do know the perimeter, because if that's 8, that's 8, and that's 8, because it's equilateral, it's a regular polygon. So this is 24, that's 2. I just need to find the apothem. Where to start on that? Here's where. Put a point in the center. It's the apothem is from the center straight down to the other side. It's a 90-degree angle. The radius will then cut this angle in half, which makes this a 30-degree angle. And if that's the case, then that's a 60-degree angle, right? So it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This side would be 4, so that's the long leg. How do you get from the long leg to the short leg? You divide by root 3. So the idea here is 4 divided by root 3, and I'm going to hit enter on that. Alright, so that's my apothem is about 2.3, about 2.31. It's about 2.31. Okay, so 2.31. Let's see what happens. I'm going to leave that in my calculator. I'm going to multiply it by 24. I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to divide by 2. And I'm going to get about 27.71. Okay, that's the area. So that will definitely work. That's how you would do it with that formula. Let me ask you guys this. We just got through learning how to find the area of a triangle, and the area of a triangle is just, if I drew this height, then the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. I know that looks real familiar, or it looks like the last one, but it's a different part of the triangle right here. Can you solve this? Probably easier than the other one, right? This is still going to cut that in half, so you have 2 4s, but now you have an 8 over here, and so you have an 8 and a 4, and you can solve that with Pythagorean theorem if you want, or this is a 60-degree angle, and you could use special right triangles. I'm going to do the Pythagorean theorem because I'm assuming a lot of my students would do the same. So I'm going to say 8 squared minus 4 squared, enter, rooftop 0.5. Okay, so this height is 6.928, and the base is 8, so I'm going to leave that in my calculator. I'm going to multiply it by 8, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to divide by 2, and I'm going to hit enter, and it gives me about 27.71. Okay, don't forget the units. I didn't write the units on there. If that's the case, I would say units squared. If it was centimeters, I would say centimeters squared. But guess what? Those two ways will both give you the same answer. There's more than one way to go there. My advice is, with the triangles, don't use the regular polygon formula, because it's a little harder to understand. I think the triangle, just keep doing it the way you have.